There are many ways to make a short video, depending on your goals, resources, and preferences. Here are a few general steps you can follow. Choose a topic or purpose for your video. This will help you focus your message and determine the type of content you need to create. Plan your video. Decide on the overall structure, including the main points you want to make and the visual elements you want to include. You may want to create a script or storyboard to help guide your production. Gather your resources. This may include any props, costumes, or locations you need, as well as any audio or video equipment. Record your video. This can be done with a smartphone, a digital camera, or a video camera. Make sure to use good lighting and sound, and consider using a tripod to keep your camera steady. Edit your video. Use video editing software to trim and arrange your footage, add transitions, and include any additional elements such as music or text. Publish and share your video. You can upload your video to a video sharing website such as YouTube, or share it on social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram.